Hello everybody and welcome back. Well, today I'm in my greenhouse doing a little job, but first of all I want to show you the view from my greenhouse. Terrific, isn't it? Aren't I lucky to be able to sit in my greenhouse in the sunshine and look out at a view like that while I'm potting on my plants. Anyway, getting back to today's job. These are some marrows that I'm growing, and they're getting a bit too big for this pot, and like everything or everybody, one day they have to move out of their home and move into a new bigger home, just to give them the room to expand and grow. And these are those very same marrows. I think they've been in that pot for about 3 weeks or a month. So what I need to do is take them out of this pot in case they get their roots attached to the sides a little bit. I'll give this plastic pot a little bit of a squish just to loosen up the soil. Put my fingers gently across the plants like that, tip them out, and hopefully with a bit of a tap, out they come. Look, there's a lovely root system on there, if you can see that. Those beautiful white roots that are just sucking up the moisture, and they really want to get going. So if we gently tease these apart very carefully. When I first planted these, I made sure that they had plenty of space, and well, they sure did. They proved me right. So we need to put a little bit of soil in the bottom of our next pot that we're going to be using, and if possible try not to touch the stems. I know it's difficult, but just do the best you can. There, put them in, put it in like that, and then we want to go round with some of this. It's just an ordinary potting compost that you can get anywhere. Get it online too, I guess. Probably cheaper that way. Mind you, might not be. So there we go, that's the first one, and that will grow away quite happily in there until the weather warms up and hopefully there aren't any frost, and then I can put this little guy outside. So get a label, put a label in, listen him up like that, little drink of water, make sure he's well watered in, make him feel at home. And I think up here on this cosy little shelf will be perfect.